Hi students. Today my topic is related with how to extract the value between delimiters. In my first lecture regarding this, I was tell you about that how to extract the username from this value before delimiter. In this lecture, I will let you know about how to extract the word text between the delimiter. Here I have two delimiters. You see, it's like at the rate and it's like .com. So it's very easy like previous one. So I will let you know how to do this task. So first of all, I will go to add column and then go to and then select a column in which I need to apply the function. After that, I will go to extract function, and here it is like this text between delimiters. After I will click that, I see and then a dialog box appear, and this dialog box asks me about the parameters. First of all, I would press at the rate, and then the end delimiter is .com. So I know that here it is. You see, in email address we see that at the rate the adventure works is between at the rate and .com. So I place both the delimiters start and end delimiters like that. Just press OK, and you will see that the name appears like this. After that, you rename the this like rename this like that, like company name. That's all. This is very easy task, but very important. Sometimes we need to adjust our data in a way. So I hope this will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos for more support. Thank you very much.